So I did not feel in that way that there would be a job crisis, economy, a total stoppage of business and uh, offices and all. So I was not sure at that moment of time. So basically what happened when I left Genpact to do my analytics. So I was pretty sure that I would get a job. Even when I cleared, I saw that COVID-19 has taken a place, and even many of the people are just stopping the hiring process in the companies. So I was a bit, I felt a bit concerned about that. So basically, see, I am from Hindu background, and speaking that I believe in Bible. So I'm sharing with you my story of a Bible. So in that COVID-19 situation, I enrolled myself in a RLJ course. You would not be knowing what is RLJ, but in a small gist, I would tell you it's a study of a Bible where every people pass through difficult times. So COVID-19 is also a difficult time. So I did not means leave hope of getting a job. So there was some positivity in myself by reading the Bible, the verses. There were many pastors and sisters were there. They were helping me. And in the meantime, God told me to connect with you. So I connected with you during that time. So God told me to connect with Jogesh Jain, employability coach, so that so there are some loopholes where because you have posted many things in LinkedIn and many official websites of job portals, but you are not getting. So there are something you need to work upon. So God told me this. So I connected with you, and you also told me the same thing that there are good and bad times. So there is no constant time that a person would not be able to get a job or get anything else, not a job. So job is a part of life. So you told me everything, and I also shared with you the prospects. Even during this COVID-19, what happened? I got an offer of doing a canvas painting. So that was something. This is the first time that I got an opportunity to do a canvas painting for. You might be knowing there's a Assembly of God Church in Calcutta. Yeah, you might be heard of. So I got an opportunity, and I made a painting in this COVID-19, and I was doing seminars with you as well, and I was doing the painting. I was continuing with positivity that I would get a job.
Interesting.
So it so happened that after your seminars got over, I got a request, not a request, I would say, I got a post in LinkedIn that they are urgently require some of the quality analyst for data analyst role in Calcutta itself. So at that time, I was crying literally that how could analytics in Kolkata, because in Calcutta there are no analytics,
Mm.
because in big companies like Genpact, TCS and all, they don't hire analytics in Calcutta. So
Mm.
they have analytics department in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai and all. So
Right.
I was curious. So when I asked them that, so how many months this organization is doing analytics? So they told that it's only 2 years. So they are into analytics. So I was pretty happy. Then they asked few of the questions of analytics and all, and I cleared it. And I remember that it was midnight, 10:30 or 11:30 in the night. HR told me that you have been selected, and you would be getting the offer letter by tomorrow. So this is my story.
So tell me, how did you got to know about JJ School of Employability or about me?
Actually, frankly speaking, I didn't know that there's something called employability means forum, employability school, or there are anyone who does these employability things. So basically, I was just searching through the what I would say comments of different persons that there was a career gap. So I couldn't remember the name of the person, but I saw some of them posted in your videos. I guess there was a person. there was a career gap of a person of 4 to 5 years,
Yeah.
and he through your JJ school got an offer letter from LinkedIn.
Right.
So through that post, I connected with you.
Oh, okay. Got it. Got it. And when you were going through that process of the first call that you got, then you sent your resume, they found your LinkedIn profile, and then you gave interviews. So,
Mhm.
where did the specific learnings and how was your approach different from a normal, a normal person, normal sort of, and now that you've gone through the course, your thought process was different, your learnings were different. So, what were those key elements in that journey?
Key elements was that positivity was there first. The second thing was that let's say there was an uncommon question which I was not aware of.
Mm.
So very intelligently, I remember that I spoke to that HR. I know that thing, but currently I'm not in a situation to recall because it was a long back. I learned it, so I am looking forward uh, to understand more of that. So
Mm.
that's why I told to the HR, and HR was pretty much happy with my statement.
Very good, very good. And in specific to the learnings that you've gone through at JJ School, what were the benefits of those learnings, especially?
Especially it was to break the barrier of speaking with an uncommon topics. Let's say one of the manager asked me, "Do you know this?" I told, "Yes, I have worked it. However, I don't know exactly how it is done, but I know the theory, but I don't know the practical approach." Means I have covered my statement with positive and keeping the negative side. Means I have
Mm.
not told I don't know.
Mm.
So in your seminar, you told that there should not be any negativity. There
Yeah,
should be a positive approach for every negative answer.
right, right. And I think you joined on when? You joined just a few days before getting a job, is it?
Uh, few days, I would say, or close to 1 month, I guess. Currently, my score is not 70. It hops around 58, 59, 60. So between 55 to 60, it hops around because I don't get enough time to do, because at that time I was very free.
Mm.
So I have to stick to it to increase my SSI score now. I
Got
think
it.
so.
Yeah. If you want to give a
Exactly.
specific message to them, what is the message that you want to give them?
Very frankly speaking, I don't have any such message, but I would say in any interview, for any interview you go, just be confident. So there might be managers or HR or senior manager who might test your idea or thoughts or knowledge, not the exact process,
Very
but
good.
the idea and thoughts. So they judge on that parameters. Might let's say I'm a BCom student, and they asked me about question of analytics, very high level of analytics. So I told them, yes, I know, however I don't know the exact way how it is done, but I know that these are the things which helps to do the process. So the positivity of speech should be there.
Thank you so much, Saurav. I think when this message goes to the community of professionals who are part of our JJ School of Employability, they will be very proud of you and they will be taking inspiration from your journey of challenges that you've gone through and how you have kept yourself positive even in a challenging time. So we wish you success, and anywhere you need support from community, you know where to reach out to us.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure.